Alright, I'm going to show you how to hook up a thermostat to a duct fan with a relay and a 24 volt transformer. So this thermostat came from a furnace replacement. I didn't put this thermostat on the wall, so I got it. I'm going to use it. And this is pretty simple, but I had to figure it out, so it was a little complicated, but really nothing outrageous. So here's the relay I got. It's a 20, you can see it there, AC 24 volt, and it also says 30 VDC, 30 volts DC. So this does both. And the diagram there, so you have, if you see there, 8 and 5, that's normally closed right now. And then when you charge the coil, contact closes, and then it's, see the 8 there, and it moves over to 6, and then that closes. I believe that's what I have it on. Yeah, so 6 is there. This is the 110, 120 stuff. 8 is there, and then in 7 and 2, 7 and 2, you can see that's the 24 volts. I'm going to use 24 volt AC with this because I'm going to use this diagram for the heating. This is the manual. For the thermostat, I'm going to do the heating system portion of things. So if you look, wire into W, jumper that, put the other side in and then to RH, and then over to 24 volts into the transformer. So as you can see, boop, that over to here, just following the diagram basically. That from the R, H, over transformer. So basically, when this asks for heat, kicks in the fan. That's the way I have it set up. You can have it set up to cool if you want to. That's just a different. Put the wire on W instead of W, you put Y. Anyways, the reason I'm doing this is because I have a rad system in my house, and within the rad system, there's no rads in the basement, so I have a lot of heat that comes in the front room there, the sunroom, and I'm just going to put that ductwork into the floor, and it's going to come down and blow air on my my rad pipes. And I'm gonna close all this in, and then have the heat from the sunroom, which blasts all kinds of heat up there. I'm gonna blast it down these pipes, close all that in, and then just have a couple of openings here and there, and then have the heat from the sunroom follow these rad pipes and warm up my basement. That's the whole idea about that. And I got another, I'm gonna hook up another one over here too. This one, actually, I'm gonna change it to a 6-inch. That one there is temporary and pretty loud, and that goes all the way from the upstairs, sucks the air from the upstairs down into the basement. It works pretty good. It's a little cool out today, but it's, 18 degrees in here right now, sitting on the bench. I want it to get a little warmer though, right? Anyways, hope that you understood all that. I may have missed a few things. Let's see. Power goes to the fan. Sorry. Power goes to the fan. Boop, black to the fan. We need to continue the power over to the transformer, so that's hooked up like that. And then the power on the commons, so this black wire here, that just goes to the transformer, and that's just hooked up with the common, and that's just ground. So what the power gets switched. So there's the black wire that goes to the fan, and it's going into this relay, and then power from the outlet or for where you plug it in. I've got it plugged in right there. Excuse me. And it comes into the other side here. So this and this are getting switched. 8 and 6. And then it's, so right now it's normally open, and then once it gets energized, like this moves here. You'll see it move. Put the temperature up. Boop. Nice post. There. Simple. Simple enough. Anyways, I hope you got all that. You can use a mercury switch here too, if you wanted to, an old-fashioned one.